Okay, let's go.
Ready? Let's go.
What the dog do?
So I'm waiting for my bus. And then it's not showing anything. It's just like this. It's not showing anything when it's going to come and then not. Let me tell you how hot it is here.
So we eat.
See,
Highway 59, okay, fine. Tollway, highway.
okay, through highway. Okay. So I'm going to Iconium. That's like the mall here. I couldn't find the bus. I know I told myself that I'm going to use public transportation, but I just couldn't find it because it was not coming. I literally waited there for like 20 minutes and there was no sign of it coming. I just booked a taxi here. Hopefully I will get there on time, get to enjoy and see you guys there.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like that.
I'm in the area where they only sell food. I need to go where they sell clothes too. Well, I'm trying to find a place to eat and I can't seem to find it. There's so many places to eat. Look, so many places to eat, but I don't know what to eat because I don't know what they are selling. I'm scared to eat. I mean, it's tasty. It's a little bit spicy for me, but it's very hard to chew. These noodles are very hard to chew. But overall, I like it. However, it's tasty. Dude, it's so freaking big. Look at all the brands they have here. Oh god. Yeah, they are rich. Rich. If you ask me what I'm doing, I also don't know. I ate. मैं बहुत थोड़ा जरा खाना सिर्फ खाता है और मेरा टिड भर चुका है ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ मैं कुछ खाने वास्ते भी नहीं जा सकती हूँ कितने मैंने भी नहीं पता मैं फोटो बूथ I don't know where to go. Trying to find a bubble tea shop so I can sip and drink. मैंने कितना लाभ भी नहीं हुआ. Google की सर्च किताब बहुत दूर दूर से दस है सारे. So I am back now. It's so hot outside. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है ना बाहर मैं तो बस ही नहीं सकती. इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी. I mean बाहर गर्मी है and बाहर हवा बिल्कुल भी नहीं चल रही थी. I mean इंडिया ऐसी कहाँ की चल हवा चलती सी ਤਾਂ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਗਰਮ ਹਵਾ ਹੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ ਬਟ ਐਟਲੀਸਟ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਵਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਐਂਡ ਇੰਨੀ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਰਮੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਹੱਦ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਗਰਮੀ ਦੀ ਬਟ ਇਟਸ ਇਨਸੇਨ ਹੀਅਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਗਵਾ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਾ ਗਈ ਆਪਣੇ ਚੱਸੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੂਟ ਬਟ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਬੂਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਗਈ ਸੀਗੀ that was my mistake. I knew it. I was making mistake. मैंने पता सीगा कि मैं regret करूँगी ये decision. मैं regret करूँगी ये decision थोड़ी देर बाद. And I did. I did regret it. And मैं boots पे नहीं डाल रहा कि गई सी सो मैं फिर change भी नहीं कर पा रही सी कुछ. And फिर मैंने उत्थे एक idea है. Actually मैं लोगों ने पहला वाल देख क्या. Mostly तो सारे ने boots पाए सी, but कुछ इतना भी सी कि जिन्होंने आ वाले shoes पाए सी. These sandals. They were wearing these type of sandals. And मैं भी ले ले. I don't know मैं महंगे लेते हैं सस्ते लेते हैं, but 40 euros दिया या बहुत पंद्रह सी 150 कुछ. But they are so comfy to walk in, so comfortable to walk in, so comfortable. बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है कि हवा भी नहीं चल रही, so this helps a lot. तुम तो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं खड़ सकते. इतनी कोई ज़्यादा गर्मी है कि you start sweating like so quickly. You can't even stand in that type of weather at all. अब मैं लेके ते आई हैं. I don't know ये चार्ज हो रहा है कि नहीं, but it's not turning on. I need to find out how to turn it on. But it was like 5 euros or something. I hope it comes handy. I hope it works and I'm charging it right now. एक खाना मैं इधर इंसान मैं बुक तो जज करती हूँ. I'm the person who would judge you by book. I am that kind of person. I don't regret saying that. I don't feel ashamed by that. So मैं उठे खाना देख रही सीगी. खाना मेरे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं की खावा की ना खावा. I was looking for pad thai जेड़ा कि मैं खाता. It was like something noodles but very sticky and it was so hard to chew. Like a chewing gum, but it's hard to chew on. Another taste like sweet and sour and spicy. See, but overall I give it 8 out of 10. But मैं मॉल को मिला, मैं कुछ खा लिया सी मेरा. I was full and I was like, okay, now I need to go back. My feet were hurting so bad. मेरे पैर इतने कुछ ज़्यादा दुख रहे थे कि मैं वापस चल जाऊँ. And इस करके मैं होटल से वापस आई and I'll just change it quickly again because it's so hot outside. And I hope it charge so that I can use it. Anyway, that's it for day 2, I guess. I am going to go out, but I'm not going to take my camera or not going to record anything. If I found something to record, I would probably record, but it's so tiring to be a YouTuber. Like, I don't know what to record and what to not to record. And it's just that it's my first time and I'm kind of like nervous also, and I'm kind of like in confusion what to do and what not to do. And I am traveling alone. That's not something I love to do, but I did not had any other option. The one who was coming with me cancelled at the last moment, so I had to come alone. But anyways, I did really enjoy it today. Love Bangkok. Lots of love to Bangkok. It's an amazing city. So when मैं comfy कपड़े पा के आने घूमने जाऊँगी, and I would come back and sleep, and that's it for day 2 or day 1, I guess. Day 1. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. You should give this video lots of love, and you know that you should. You better. Anyways, bye bye. I hope to guys see you tomorrow, and lots of love. I hope you stay happy and healthy. Take care of yourself, mostly your loved ones also, but mostly yourself. Have a happy life. Bye.